Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at some gaming headphones from Edifier G5 Max, Bluetooth version 6, LHDC 5.0, THX Spatial Audio, and as you can see in here, high-res audio, high-res wireless spatial audio. So yeah, you can find them in two colors, white and gray. And in terms of options, so you can use them via Bluetooth, USB 2.4, so Bluetooth or wired connection. Has a 5.3 millimeter large driver. The battery is just crazy, 305 hours, and this is if you're using it 8 hours a day. Dual microphone, so you can have it I think without and with the microphone. RGB lighting, as you can see in here, on both sides, and it can be controlled. 305 grams only, and the theater sound mode is just unbelievable. So I assume this is where you have the microphone, the USB cable, some instructions. I'm not sure what's those, but let's have a look. So yeah, like I said, there's the microphone. It's flexible, so you can adjust it, and it's using, I think it's 3.5 mil. Interesting. User manual, stickers, it's quite cool. Safety information, the cable, which seems like it's gold plated, I think. Maybe not, USB-C to A. This can be used for charging and for connecting them to the computer. So this is the 2.4 dongle, and he also has a USB-C adapter. So what I'll do, I'm gonna connect this to my Steam Deck console. That will be perfect, I hope. And the headphones themselves, and as you know me already, I've used them and tried them. Very nice and soft padding on the top. Give me 1 second. Left and right indicators, really nice soft ear cushions. I really love them, very comfortable. And then the top, like I said, it's also very nice and comfortable. All that memory foam. This is plastic, and these symbols, they light up, and I'll show you. This is metal, this bar, and in order to adjust them, you just have to pull them up, and you can adjust them like that. You have little indents, so you'll know how high you are. Yeah, so on the right side you have these buttons and connectors. So you have the audio jack for the microphone jack, a microphone port, USB-C for charging, to turn on and off the microphone, volume control, which is this wheel, and then to turn them on, and also to switch from Bluetooth to 2.4, and then a light indicator. Nothing else on the other side, as you can see, clean. And yeah, when you turn them on, the lights, they start flashing. Depends what mode you choose from the Edifier app. These are the lights on, and they have breathing or gradient. You can choose the colors yourself, and yeah, they're quite strong. Now it's quite bright in here. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna show you how I've connected to my Steam Deck, and the app as well and how they look on my head. Phone, it has a little LED in there as well, which is pretty cool. So this is how it sounds through the microphone. Hopefully you can hear me well. So it has a little LED in there as well, which is a different color. Yeah, let's hope that you can hear me well via the microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Let's just put it away a bit. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear me well. Guys, like I said, you don't need to worry about the battery. As you can see, it's 100%. I've used them quite a bit. But yeah, let's quickly have a look. So input devices, that's Bluetooth or 2.4. Like I said, you can change from the button on the headphones. Sound effects, when you are in game mode, you can't really change anything in here. It says that it's already using the optimal mode. And I prefer game mode because it gives you the 7.1, like the theater mode. So yeah, it's quite cool. You can change it to music from there. Light effects, like I said, you can switch whatever color you like. You can change this as well. You can change the intensity, like the brightness of the light. You can turn it on and off, and you can have this as well. So that's all it is in there. You can have an account. In here you have the firmware version, the Mac version of the device, which I'm gonna have to hide somehow. You have the user manual, which is pretty cool, so you can access all the information that you need about the headphones. The bind dongle, so you can enable it. Control settings, just explains all the controls. You can even have find my products, so you can just make sure you don't wear them, but you can search for them and it will beep. Prompt volume, you can set it higher or low. Power, so you can power them off from the phone, from the app, and you can have a scheduled power off as well. Bluetooth settings, disconnect Bluetooth repair, not really sure exactly what that does, and factory reset, so you can do that as well. So yeah, that's all it is in the app. Let's just connect them to the Steam Deck and see how they sound in a game. Hey guys, so to wrap it up, it works amazing. You can hear earlier a car went from right to the left and I could hear it clearly. You can control the volume from the headphones. As you can see, it comes up in there. I don't know if you can see. Look, another car. Yeah, I can hear everything perfectly fine. It just works brilliantly. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Definitely a really good buy for the price as well and for how much battery life it has.